Is there anything being reported in terms of complexity that's from the different tools like Flog or Reek or whatever that you actually disagree with? Like, for example, this particular thing where methods cannot be longer than, they shouldn't be longer than a certain number of lines or something, anything like that. Is there anything that you actually disagree with some of the standards that some of these other gems have?
Yeah. Yeah. I disagree with a lot of those rules. I hate them. Sometimes I hate Rubocop. I hate Reek many times, and I'm like, I'm gonna disable this rule, because I don't think that's the the way to go. Um, so what I like to say, and when I'm talking about code quality, is that code quality in a code base is an understanding that the team has about code quality. So all of these tools that are out there are easy to configure. So you can disable the rules that you don't agree with, and you can basically tweak the idea of code quality, and you can agree as a team to be like, hey, let's have a conversation about this rule. I think it's kind of silly. I actually want us to embrace this other form, which is not the default that Rubocop, tells us. And if everybody comes to an agreement, great. You can all kind of like own the code quality of the code base. I think that there has to be a conversation though. It can't be like, oh, there's one person and we're gonna do what the thing that one person is saying. I think it has to be a conversation, and it has to be written in the configuration of these tools, whether it's Reek or Rubicop or whatever. And if there is even like kind of like an architecture record or a decision record that's easy to find for the project, where it's like, hey, we discussed this, we agreed this configuration was better if we disabled it, so we're gonna go with it this way. So yeah, I think there are a lot of rules out there that I don't agree with, and if I'm working on a code base, I'm probably going to disable some of the rules that are out there.
If you like this clip and want to watch another one, you can click right here. Or if you want to watch the full video, you can click here.